Memo 140. Reading passage. In a greedy attempt to keep Rapunzel to herself, the witch locks her up in a tower and ends up losing the girl she treasures. This teaches us that it is essential to share what we know and love. From a business standpoint, some people labor under the misguided notion that they will safeguard their position by withholding information, contacts, or assistance. But in today's interconnected work world, the collaborative approach is infinitely wiser. Relationships are a survival tool. Collaboration and networking are key to long-term career success. Sharing provides the best opportunity to make a contribution to the company and to the world beyond the office towers. Withholding, controlling witches at work can be male or female, young or old, bosses or co-workers. They are stingy about sharing their contacts, information, expertise, and help. This attitude is as foolhardy as the witch's attempt to lock away Rapunzel. Nobody gets ahead in their career by locking up their information and withholding open communication or help.